I want to make this video. I have a Frigidaire professional series. The ice maker Auger don't work, so I just replaced the mechanism. Was micro switch was stuck, was bad, and I replaced a new one, and it's still not working. So this little spring here. Um, this little spring here come out from here, from this place. That had to be locked there, and that's why the algorithm works. So that's how that looks, and I'm going to fix it. That's all the ice makers do. Right. Okay. So now I have locked it there, and that's how that looks. And it's working now. So that was the problem. I had to remove everything for diagnostic and check the motor, check the multimeter here, and before I don't have any voltage then. No, I cannot do. Well, it's working now. I was testing the motor here, and that was not working, so I have working now. That's it.